Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but powerful piece of equipment that's a must-have for anyone working with automotive, marine, or RV electrical systems. We're talking about the LENKRAD 6 single-stud bus bar. This compact power distribution block is designed for 12-volt systems, handling up to 150 amps, and features a single M6 stainless steel stud for connecting wires. At first glance, the bus bar is impressively sturdy. The stud itself is made from 304 stainless steel, ensuring excellent conductivity and long-lasting durability. Even in marine environments where corrosion can be a concern, the base is crafted from a fire-resistant ABS plastic, giving it a solid feel while also providing insulation and safety during installation. Its red color makes it easy to identify as a positive junction point in any setup. One of the standout features is its versatility and ease of installation. The bus bar is designed to be panel-mounted and allows 360-degree wire lug installation. The mounting holes are recessed, so it can be installed in any orientation without affecting the wiring layout. This makes it perfect for compact and confined spaces, such as custom car audio setups, RV wiring, or even temporary test circuits. Functionality-wise, this M6 single-stud bus bar simplifies multiple power connections. It helps keep circuits organized and reduces the risk of short circuits by providing a dedicated junction point for wires. It supports a maximum working voltage of 48 volts DC, making it suitable for a wide range of low-current devices, signal wires, and accessory power distribution. Dimensions are compact, measuring approximately 1.64 by 0.98 by 1.57 inches. Which is small enough to fit in tight spaces but still substantial enough to handle significant power loads. The design includes 2 screw holes for secure mounting, and the stud allows for a clean connection of multiple lugs without stacking wires haphazardly. This ensures stable electrical contact and reduces potential issues with loose or intermittent connections. Whether you're customizing a marine battery setup, improving your RV power system, or managing multiple connections in a vehicle audio installation, this bus bar offers a reliable solution. Its build quality, compact design, and ease of use make it an essential component for maintaining an organized and efficient power distribution system. So if you're looking for a dependable, easy to install, and versatile bus bar for your 12-volt system, the LENKRAD 6 single-stud bus bar is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our look at this product on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest electronics and automotive gear.